up? It's Matt, Taco Potato Mustang. I'm at the hardware store. I'm gonna try and see if I can figure out a solution for the hood latch striker thing. Stand by. I'm back in my garage and I have accomplished nothing so far. I know nothing about rivets, and I was asking two people who worked at Ace Hardware if they could help me figure out some rivets that would fit with this, and like I guess there's like a rivet gun or rivet tool or whatever it's called, and neither of them really knew anything. So I'm gonna do a little internet searching and then go back there, or maybe check and see if AutoZone has like an automotive rivet something. I don't know, we'll see. Okay, I just got a Rivet Gun kit and a rivet assortment. I assume that one of these has to work. I guess we'll find out. Okay, so I got this rivet gun and it comes with like 20 rivets, but 4 different sizes. And just in case that wasn't enough, like in case one of those doesn't work, I got a rivet assortment pack. So I'm just gonna open the rivet gun and the ones that come with it and try to see what fits, sort of like comes close to fitting what I need. And then I gotta finish dremeling off the old rivet on here and we'll go from there. So I'd just like to point out something, like a really clear example of my complete lack of experience with rivets. So I was looking at the rivets while I was at AutoZone, and I was like trying to see if like this part of it was like thick or thin or whatever, and I was trying to see like, okay, what would fit into, you know, this door latch striker. And that's the stem of the rivet, so that doesn't even matter. I mean, it'll be bigger for like a bigger rivet, but that's not like what I should even be concerned with, because what I need is like, you can kind of see, like if I understand it correctly, like this will go on to the hood, and then I'll put the rivet itself, you know, through this hole, and you can see like this like edge right here, like I guess it would be like, I don't know what you call this, but this is like this is basically this. So, and the rivet gun will go on to the stem and eventually break it off or whatever. So just got to figure out which one of these seems like it's gonna work, but I'm now thinking that maybe I didn't need to get all the extra rivets, but you know, it doesn't hurt. I can return them if I don't open them, so stand by. Another thing I realized, me being an idiot, is I don't have my drill, which would be super helpful in like getting through part of these rivets. I mean, the Dremel might work, but it would definitely help to have my drill. Perfect. Okay, it's the next day. I was doing a little bit of dremeling last night. It's kind of hard to see, but the left side is mostly okay. The right side still needs a little bit of work. I don't have my drill here, I just have my Dremel, so it's slow going, but I feel like we're making progress. Okay, so the progress this morning has been going a little better than I expected. I was actually able to get a big enough hole made that I'm sort of, I don't know if I can, I don't know if you can see this, but this part is pretty close to going in on one side, and I just need to get it to work on both sides. And this rivet is, hang on, is just a little bigger than, it seems like, than what is actually needed for the hood. So I'm hoping that if the rivet will work on the hood latch striker, that using the rivet gun will just push it through without hopefully doing really any damage to the fiberglass of the hood. Fingers crossed. This is taking a while. I'm sort of making progress. I got one side where it goes through all the way, but it's not going through on the other side yet. I'm using this Dremel and it's taken a while, but I'm happy to be doing something. And the way it sits right now, it fits pretty well on the hood of the car, so I'm happy about that. Just gotta make sure I don't mess up the alignment too much while I'm still trying to get this rivet to work, but making some progress. I can't believe I'm gonna have to make this into like a 2-part video, but I don't think I'm gonna get this done today because it's taking so long. But so I'm just gonna record my outro just in case I have to edit this video and upload it before. But I'm gonna be in the garage at least for some time next weekend, so I'm hoping that I'll be able to get it done then. Anyways, thanks for watching my video. Hope you're enjoying the summer. Keep an eye out for an update on the Fox hood latch striker situation. Stay healthy, stay safe. Peace out.